Presenting the Philips mixer grinder in black color that comes with 3 jars. It has a 750-watt turbo motor with advanced air ventilation system and strong plastic couplers to perform all kinds of heavy grinding functions in the kitchen. It allows up to 25 minutes of continuous grinding even for tough ingredients. The Philips mixer grinder has a durable ABS plastic body and it comes with 3 food-grade high-quality stainless steel jars consisting of a 1.5-liter wet jar, 1-liter multi-purpose jar and a 0.3-liter chutney jar. All the jars have semi-dome transparent lids for easy monitoring. The leak-proof jars feature rubber gaskets for the lids of wet and chutney jars for a tight and secure fit. It comes with specialized stainless steel blades for smooth grinding. The 3-speed setting with pulse allows you to control the speed of the motor according to your need and preference. The Philips mixer grinder features a triangular-shaped body with less grooves for easy cleaning. It comes with 2 years product warranty and 5 years warranty on the motor. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.